Welcome to Motor Vibe Talks, where today we're putting three incredible cars head-to-head in a standing quarter-mile drag race. A BMW M240i, a Volkswagen Golf R, and the mighty Ferrari SF90 Stradale. At first glance, it seems like a no contest. The Ferrari SF90 is one of the fastest supercars on the planet. But these aren't stock cars. The Golf R packs a full Audi RS3 2.5-liter engine, turbocharged with over 1,000 horsepower. The BMW M240i, also heavily modified, with a built B58 engine and a full-frame turbo, pushing around 1,000 horsepower as well. The Ferrari is stock, boasting hybrid power and cutting-edge tech. But will it be enough? The standing quarter-mile begins. The BMW nails the launch and rockets ahead with precision. The Golf R battles hard, closing the gap, but the Ferrari struggles off the line and ends up last. Final times, BMW takes it in 9.1 seconds, Golf R second at 9.5, and Ferrari trails with 9.7 seconds. Next up, rolling races from 50 miles per hour. The Ferrari's hybrid power tries to respond, but turbo lag hinders the Golf R, and the BMW once again pulls away. The M240i dominates. Finally, the brake test from 100 miles per hour to 0. Surprisingly, despite smaller brakes, the BMW stops the sharpest, beating both the Golf R and the Ferrari. In every challenge, the heavily modified BMW M240i proves unstoppable. The underdog that beats even a million-pound supercar. This is more than a drag race. It's a testament to passion, engineering, and sheer determination. Thanks for watching. See you next time.